Hey creative, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a Sublimation Tumbler mockup with just two things, a Canva account and this file from Creative Fabrica. Now I've actually made this video before, but I kept getting a bunch of questions on how it was done. So we're going to do it again today. I'll have everything I use listed in the description box below. And if you like this video, you learned something new, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and make sure that bell notification is on so you don't miss any of my upcoming craft tutorials. Okay, creative. So to start off, this is the mock-up we'll be using, and it's from Creative Fabrica. I will have the link in the description box. This one specifically I know works, okay? They have others. I haven't tried those. So this one specifically is the one we'll be using, and I'll have it linked for you in the description box to this video. So you're going to go here. You're going to go ahead and hit download. You're going to get the file and you're going to hit, it's going to be a zip file. So you're going to hit extract all and extract it. Go ahead and click that. Okay. And so you see you get a PNG and a PSD file. The PSD is for Photoshop. The PNG is what we'll be uploading into Canva. So we'll go over to Canva. And for this project, it doesn't matter what kind of design size we're using. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit Instagram square. So we're going to go ahead and take that file that we just downloaded, and we're going to take the PNG, drag and drop it over into Canva, and then it'll go to your uploads. Now, I am using a Canva Pro account, but for this project, you don't really need Canva Pro. But if you would like to give Canva Pro a try for free for 30 days, I will have a link for you in the description box of this video. So when we get our file, this is what it looks like. Okay? So we have our file. And now we're going to take another image. So here's another PNG that I got from Creative Fabrica as well. It's actually for a tumbler wrap, okay? So I'll have this link for you in the description box as well. At the time of this video, these 3D tumbler wraps are super popular, okay? So we have our two PNGs basically. I'm going to take this one, right click it, hit layer, send to back. And now you can see it through the tumblers. So now I'm just going to go ahead and shrink it down a little bit and kind of line it up, right? Line the image up, shrink it a little bit. And that's it, honestly, you guys. Like, I'm not sure what the confusion was in my other video, but that is just that simple. You only need two things: the mockup from Creative Fabrica and another PNG. And then you place the PNG behind the mockup, and there you go. And this gives you like the full 360 view of the tumbler. Now what you can do is go ahead over here and download it. Now to take away the white, we download it with a transparent background, but that is a Canva Pro feature. So of course, if you don't have Canva Pro, the free 30-day trial will be linked for you in the description box of this video. And I've also created another video on mockups, showing you how to create t-shirt mockups in Canva, where you can like change the sleeves and things like that. So it'll pop up here on the screen in a second if you want to go ahead and continue to learn how to create mockups with Canva. So now we're just going to go ahead and take that same PNG that we just downloaded. And I'm just going to go ahead and add a new page so we can see. So this is our PNG, and then, I mean, it looks good. And of course, I don't have the white background because I downloaded it without that with the Canva Pro feature. So this looks nice, right? You can go ahead and post this on your website or your socials, or send it to your client, or, you know, whatever it is that you need to do. But if you don't like this background right here, you would go ahead and just hit edit photo. Make sure the photo is selected. hit edit photo, and then you can just remove the background. And again, the background remover feature is the Canva Pro feature. So, I mean, you know, Canva Pro is definitely worth it, and the trial will be in the description box of this video. So now we took that background off. You can go over to the Elements tab in Canva. They have different backgrounds. Well, let me do so, you know, maybe we could do this background. Put the tumblers right here. And of course, you can go to edit photo again and go to shadows, give it like a drop shadow effect you see right there. We can change to what the shadow look like. So there's just, you know, a few things that we can do with it in Canva if you wanted to change it a little bit or whatnot. So yes, that is how you can easily create, I don't know what just happened. There we go. That is how you can easily create Tumblr mockups with Canva. Okay. So if you like this video, you learned something new, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a heart or something in the comment section. Let me know if you'll be trying this out. Let me know if this was more helpful than the last video. Okay. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.